Igor, good afternoon. First things first, check out this tiny little Honda truck. Proper small, very cute. Let us know in the comment section. I can't actually read what it is on the back. It's got 4-wheel drive and it's a K truck, I know that much, but very, very cool. Oh yeah, this is one of the Dorminati's skid cars with some absolutely fabulous graphics on it. Very, very cool, the Mark II. I really like the rear lights on them. That is quite a sizable rear pipe as well. Have you seen this? Look at that! Stop fisting his exhaust, man. You disgusting Igor. NASCAR style door bars. Pretty comprehensive cage in the back. They've got some nice bucket seats. There's your man's gold helmet. Oh, it's a sweet. It's a Vertex number. Absolute sexual goodness confirmed. The chap that owns this is actually called Bartek. I'm going to chuck Bartek's Instagram down here, so if you want to keep up to speed with his awesome JZX 100 Mark II, feel free.
TJZ GE modified for a turbo.
Yeah.
And we got rebuilt the turbo.
And what sort of power, Lucas?
540 PS.
At the PS. Decent power, man, yeah. Different cool packs, aftermarket fuel rail, aftermarket intake manifolds, Mishimoto radiator, very, very cool car. And I think inside it's also forged pistons, yeah. Forged rods, and lots of locks. Really, really cool car this. Do like it a lot. In a little second, we're going to go around the back and show you a few more cars. Pete's going to be fitting my super sick Vertex wheel nuts. Number 37 of 200 sets ever made. So very, very pimp. Absolutely beautiful, and they're super, super lightweight and super strong as well. We've got all the wheels lined up now. We're just going to basically check the T7Rs against the CSTs to see which ones balance up the nicest, and we will run the best condition wheels on the front. Lucas has very kindly supplied some JZX 100 Origin Labo side skirts. I was meant to get side skirts with the car, but the guy never put them in the car, so I'm just trying to get them off him now. We're going to fit these JZX 100 side skirts. They're obviously made for 100, not for an 81, but it does give the car some sort of skirts. It looks a little bit naked without them. While the lads are just doing a few more bits, I'm going to kind of bring you back outside again and show you some more of the Dorminati drift cars. They're all absolutely sick. This is another really sick car, Toyota Aristo. Again, titanium burnt tip exhaust. They've got some really cool style, these guys. Nice carbon fibre rear spoiler, another Japanese plate, classic Lexus style lights, rear over fenders which kind of flow into the doors, Dorminati floor mats. We've got a hydro handbrake, very cool looking Vertex steering wheel, ECU Master ADU dash display, which is really, really pimp. Used to have one of those in my JZX 100. Bucket seats, cool harnesses, vaulting cage, and it's kind of painted in this very nice sort of metallic brown colour. 2JZ original GTE, yeah. Obviously manual conversion. How many horsepower is this? 650. Wow.
White body kit is from serial 9.
Sick.
And the bumpers are imported from Japan, but they were custom fitted to this car.
Cool.
Wheels are 19.10 on front, 19.12 on rear.
Look at the dish. I'm just going to remark on the dish. You could literally eat your dinner off this dish, it's that big. Really, really do like that. I'm a big Aristo fan. I love a big body Toyota. Definite boat confirmed. All of the cars have air conditioning, which I think is really cool. Obviously it can get quite hot in the summer, and when you're sitting at a drift track it's sometimes not very nice to sort of be sitting there sweating with your helmet on and your balaclava. So really, really cool. All of the cars still have functioning aircon. This is cool and very, very wide. The fenders you were saying are from like a GS
wide body kit.
Sick. Definitely a wide body, and I love all the pink roofs as well. I was saying it gives about 10 horsepower extra just in the pink roof. Graphics, all the cars look fantastic. All obviously all themed the same. All these designs are actually made by D-Man in Australia. Yeah. He's got some style, man. He knows what he's doing. Looks a bit naughty. Oh, electric seats.
Yeah, this is our electric.
And aircon as well, obviously.
Yeah, definitely.
Standard 3UZ.
Yeah.
And what sort of horsepower and torque?
Around 300.
Okay.
It's on EcoMaster.
Lucas doesn't want to be on. I'd said he's a crazy man because he's a very good looking man. Don't tell his wife I said that. How many cars are there in the team?
5 guys, 5 JZXs now. Last year one of us had a S14 and now he's changing it for the JZX.
Okay.
And this one is my spare car. If something breaks in my car,
this is
this is spare. And sometimes also the guys have some problems with their car, so they can use it.
And maybe when I come next time in the summer, this will be my car.
This can be your car.
Yeah.
Also,
that's actually a Skyline, but not the Skyline we're traditionally used to. Is it a G35?
In Europe, yes, but it was imported from Japan.
Okay, and then what were they called in Japan? Just a Skyline G?
Yeah.
GT. Like I said, Lucas does import cars from Japan. This is a Nissan President, which is extremely VIP. This looks like royalty would own it. Look at this, got like sort of shag pile carpet. Oh, Very, very pimp. These seats are absolute luxury.
V8, 4 liter.
4 litre V8. And it's got like the hood emblem, like a Rolls Royce.
Yeah.
That's cool. In England, it was very famous. People would steal the Rolls Royce Silver Lady. They'd steal them and then flog them. What we would call an LS400, but in Japan it's a Toyota Celsior. Super lucent, and it's got the old fibre optic corner markers.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm like a little kid in a candy shop. I'm getting very excited walking around here, but as you guys know, JZX100 Chaser. This is what a standard JZX100 Chaser car looks like, almost reminiscent of like a sort of BMW 5 Series E39. Ooh, got more cars in here. JZX100 Mark II standard. Supra hiding in the corner as well. 2 JZ GT original automatic, but it's an original twin turbo model. What's that? Isn't that a charge? What do they call that?
Challenger?
Challenger. Yeah, you're right. These are pretty monstrous. Nice to finally hear the JZX up and running. Peaks is adjusting the idle. Cold start's a little bit flaky on this. When we get it back to the UK, we'll kind of get the map kind of checked and kind of play around with it for a little bit, but for now, does the job. That's the rear fan now working on the rear mounted radiator. Pete's just bringing this 911 Carrera in just to do a few little bits to it. And they've got lovely doors. These I always go on about my sort of old school Porsche doors. They've got really nice sort of clickers and they've got a really nice sound to them. Listen to this. Oh, ooh, oh. I like the sound of a door closing on a Porsche, but that's what flicks me switches. You've got the standard, very traditional 5-gauge cluster, which was always kind of a real sort of trademark of Porsches. They have kind of lost this a bit over time. Now they're kind of sort of more digital, and I think the gauges on the new ones kind of integrate more to sort of make them a bit smaller. But I really do like this old style of Porsche gauges. You've got the lovely Momo suede steering wheel, traditional leather dash, and some pretty spendangly Recaro seats. This is more like your classic Porsche look with that sort of more of that sort of Beetle look on the front end. Dory Minotti. It's Bartek's birthday, the chap that owns the... How old is he? 45? His age?
34.
This is a joke. 64, right? They tell me he's 64, but I think he's actually 34. We've got a lovely cake, signed door, bit of spunky, beautiful 100.
This choice at least 2 bumpers.
Niech żyje nam, 100 lat, niech żyje nam, jeszcze raz, niech żyje nam, niech żyje nam.
Shit, man! Happy birthday, brother. Thank you very much. Thank you, birthday, brother. This door is very valuable now. Yeah. You sell this on eBay for about £20. Ewosh has a very cool JZX Mark II. It's kind of work in progress at the moment. He's kind of doing loads of bits to it in the workshop. Got some lovely subframes that we remarked on yesterday. And Bertek is a 2JZ going inside this, yeah. Really cool, the old Mark II. He's got some bigger wings on the front. And then pretty much all of your cars run 2J apart from the Lexus, the IS, which has a 3UZ.
Yes. From Miłosz car has a UZ.
Yeah, be
and
sick.
The drift car on the truck will be JZ.
Sick. I'll chuck Miłosz's Instagram down here as well, and Bertek's. It's Bertek's birthday today, so he's the birthday boy. We're going to give him some birthday beats later on. We've got the Vertex out, man. I've kind of been apprehensive to fit these because they're so super rare, but at the end of the day, they are wheel locked, and they have been kind of designed and put on the wheel, not just look at it in the box. So I think it's time we finally fit them on there. Yeah, my party boy! For now, I'm really happy, and I'm really falling in love with it. It's got a lot of character. There are a few battle scars and stuff, but let's be honest, it's going to get a lot worse over time. Yeah, that is a little idea on what the rear wheels look like. Happy boy. I know this car was cheap, but it's only got 3 threads on the hub, which is, yeah, interesting. Man like Pete, look at that. 30 minutes later, we thought it was going to be a simple job, put a wheel on, but many things were missing. Hot boy, looking fabulous. So we're going to wrap the video up today. We have got some John action coming up real soon. Obviously it was kind of important to get the looks and the mechanics sorted with the car before we start doing absolutely crazy John action. I can firmly say 30 out of 10 confirmed. Look forward to seeing you all in the next episode. Dominati for the win. Sick.